Okay, James, I just wanted to let you know you're up and running, 120 degrees Fahrenheit. It is on. If you can get out here to test the water on the inside. The issue we're having is that we're getting condensate inside the unit, which I don't know why. This is an exterior unit, but I did some research on it. We're going to have to install something here to come out this way, kind of like a 90, to prevent water from going in here. I guess with all this rain that we've had, water has gone in here and it travels inside to the burn chamber and it detects the moisture inside. So the moisture inside keeps the igniters here from cutting on every time you activate the hot water inside. So I need to get out here pretty much with a 90 here. I'm thinking just a regular PVC PVC 90, and install it this way so the heat can come out this way, preventing water from going into the unit there, because that's exactly what it's doing. With all this rain, it's raining now, the water travels in there, and once it goes inside, it prevents the burners from coming out. So I'll get to working on that, but just to let you know, you're up and running. You're 120 degrees Fahrenheit now.